Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use Calendar on iPhone. The Calendar app on your iPhone helps you keep track of appointments, meeting, birthday, and other important events. It's easy to use and can help you stay organized throughout the day. First, open the Calendar app on your iPhone. You will see your schedule displayed by day, week, month, or year. Just tap the view that works best for you to browse your upcoming events. You are currently on months right now. If you click the arrow on the upper left, then you'll see the whole calendar or the whole year. To create a new event, just tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Now you could add in a title in there, choose a date and time if needed, and you can also add location, notes, and many more. You could also add a reminder for that and just simply click on the add button in the top right corner to save the event. Now, once the event is added, you could simply edit it by tapping on it. So we have that on August 7, just click on the month here and the day 7. So you should be able to see your event on that specific day. So just simply click on it to edit it. Click on the edit button on the top right corner of the screen and feel free to update any information in there. And if you no longer need that event, just simply click on delete event in here, click on delete again, and it should be removed from your calendar. You can also sync your calendars with iCloud, Google, or other supported accounts by going onto settings. Once you're in settings, click on apps, then find calendar in there. Go to calendar accounts, and this will let you view all your events in one place across your devices. So this is how you use calendar on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.